ako'y sabik na sa lalawigan ko minumot siya. Maghihintay pa rin ang irog doon sa amin. Mga magulang na may nag-aalala sa akin. Umasilayan ko man lamang bundok parang at badis. Gumagaan ang hirap ko at pasakit. Awitin ko'y makauwi na sa duyan ng aking kamusmusan. Sa piling mo, o Sierra Madre, kandungan mo'y laging hinahanap. Ano kaya ang gagawin ko ngayon? Wala na natitirang pag-asa sa aking mga pangarap. Kaya't kung mayroon mang nakikinig sa aking damdamin, ay dalhin mo na ang awit ko sa amin. Awitin ko'y makauwi na sa duyan ng aking kamusmusan. Sa piling mo, o Sierra Madre, kandungan mo'y laging hinahanap. Magbuhat ng lisanin mo ang ating munting bariw. Araw-gabi naghihintay ng sulat mo. Pangako mong binitawan, minsa'y walang saysay. Magtapat kagiging pangarap ko'y marating. Babalik ka rin upang tayo'y magkapiling. May bukas pa naghihintay sa ating giling. Dapat mong malaman na ang buhay maikli sa mundo. Sayang lang kung ito'y itapon mo. Babalik ka rin upang tayo'y magkapiling. May bukas pa naghihintay sa ating giling. Dapat mong malaman na ang buhay maikli sa mundo. Sayang lang kung ito'y itapon mo. met mapawilan to'y rin na ang tuwa-tuwa na sikatin na kilig. Baka nakalilawin, pasaktan makit pagsangitin. Kasto'y gayam niyayat, simigurado kain naman, na magunod mon to'y ayat, baka ket no isukat na. Dua-dua na sikatin na piling, baka nakalilawin, pasaktan nakit pagsangitin. Kasto'y gayam niyayat, simigurado kain naman, numagunod mon to'y ayat, baka kitno isukat na. Bigla ang paglayo ng aking minamahal, ang tanging iniwan niya ay liham. Ayon sa sulat niya, ako'y di na niya mahal, huwag iluha ang kaniyang paglisaan. Bakit ba? Bakit ba? Bakit ka lumayo aking sinta? Alam mo na minamahal kita, ang aking buhay kung wala kay papana. Kahit na alam ko di ka na magpapalik, di ka rin mawawaglit sa isip, pagkat sa buhay ko wala kang kapalit, at ikaw lang ang siyang iniibig. Bakit ba? Bakit ba? Bakit ka lumayo aking sinta? Alam ko na minamahal kita, ang aking buhay kung wala kay papana. Set me the pillow that's the remote. Don't you know that I still care for you? Set me the pillow that's the remote. So darling, I can be honest with you. This night when I'm sleeping oh so lonely, I'll share 11 dreams that once will true. But set me the pillow that's the remote. the time I love it cry. I take off I knew it would be. If we both did be back together and forget the travelers big as it has been. I think a good things that I'll be sorry, but crying the pines and betting you. Part of my time that I guess surrender for the most of the time I take of you. I give you all my life, but I love you more this day. And there's no one you take my heart away from you. But there's no please love me, baby. Love me the way I do. Promise me in love with you. But if you ever say goodbye, then I'll cry, cry and cry. I just can't live alone without you in my life. When I was this morning, imagine a surprise on my pillow, laid a secret yellow rose. The smile bit when I read cards, the children's in my eye. Thought it was the way that you could say goodbye. We couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and I never crossed my mind to be answered. So today is fine and sleeping and let me here alone. And to say goodbye for a single yellow rose. It's a ring to happiness, and I wish you all the best. If you happiness doesn't matter most of all, but if you ever wish you live, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrops fall. I'll be there at the time you need me by your side to drive away. If a teardrops that you cry, but if you ever miss you blue, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrops fall. Zero me today that you won't come back to stay, that she's only come to play afterglow. Zero I miss my pride, have the love for me has died, but she found somebody else, I suppose. Baby blue, baby blue, do you know that I'm still in love with you?